Uh, the people who saved him. One teacher saw what the world ignored. One bowl of ramen became so much more. A rival pushed every limit I knew. Friends became the family I never grew to. Then came a man who laughed through pain, writing dreams in the middle of rain. He taught me strength isn't winning the war, it's believing tomorrow is worth fighting for. Every bond stitched another broken part, until the village slowly entered my heart. I wanted the love, now I understand. Love begins when someone reaches